After reviewing the components and controls, as well as having an understanding of how the MIL-D1 works, it is time to assemble the detector. Start by laying the transport case down and lifting the 4 locking clips to open the case. Scan the components to ensure all are present. Next, remove the control unit and open the battery compartment by releasing the 2 retainer clips. Insert the batteries according to the diagram on the bottom of the case. Batteries should be slid in at an angle and not dropped to ensure long life of the components. In case the detector is equipped with rechargeable batteries, remember to charge them before assembling the unit for the first time. Replace the battery cover, making sure it is aligned with the case. Close both spring locks at the same time, allowing the lid to close properly. Then, ensure the switch is off and place the control unit on the case. With the search head remaining in the case, extract the upper staff assembly and position the lower staff vertically as indicated. Loosen the locking sleeve, then push the upper staff over the lower staff while depressing the spring-loaded button. The handle and telescopic pole can now be adjusted to suit the user. Attach the electronic control box to the staff by retracting the plastic lock and sliding the unit into place. It is important to note that the side of the unit with the steel belt mounting clips should always face the operator to ensure correct positioning of controls. The search head cable can now be wrapped around the control unit 2 times to remove the excess cable. Remove the protective cover from the search head connector by rotating the connector locking ring counterclockwise. After removing the rubber protective cover from the search head receptacle on the control box, connect the search head connector. Note that this connector will always mount at a 45-degree angle to the corner of the case. The 2 protective covers will fit together to keep them clean during operation. If using the earphone, rotate the connector until the pins are aligned. You will feel the connector drop into place. Remove the detector from the case and check the search head tension. The ideal adjustment for the search head is to have enough tension to adjust the head without stressing the mounting points, yet not so loose that it will change angle when sweeping. The unit is now ready for startup.